Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today it's a very simple video. I'm just showing you how I insulated my garage doors for under $100. Extremely simple. I started by cleaning my doors with my vacuum. Make sure that all the dust and the spider webs that I had on them were gone. Then I went ahead and measured. I think for me it was about 20 and a quarter, so I went right at 20 and 1/16 or so. That way I had enough room to put the panel inside the groove and then drop it into the bottom opening, the bottom groove. Now here I used a drywall square to give me a straight line, and I used a razor which did not work well, so I thought it's because it was dull. So I grabbed another one, still didn't work well, and then I realized, well, I have my Japanese pool saw, let's try that out. I ran to my tool wall, got my Japanese pool saw, and that worked like a charm. Now I know what you're thinking, because I'm thinking the same thing. It was extremely awkward to try to cut this standing up, but you know, it was hot. I mean, cannot blame me. So after I realized that the width was good, I grabbed a marker and I marked for the length. Now here is important to leave yourself some room so you can actually put the panel inside a groove and then move it to one side. So right here I go inside the groove on the top and then fit it in. Then I repeated the process again, mark about 20 and 1/16 with a drywall square, got my newfound pull saw and awkwardly cut it standing up. So halfway through this I realized, man, this is really stupid, there should be a better way. And there was. So I used my bench to lay the panel, and cut it that way. It was a lot better and simpler to do it this way. And then I realized once again, why am I working with insulation and not using my respirator? So I got my RC mask, put it on, and kept cutting. Man, I will say that this quick project was a learning experience all in all. Every time I did a panel, I realized I could be doing this so much better. And so as the project went on, I got better and faster at doing this. And so I learned what to do and what not to do. And I got better as I was going. So what I did to speed the process is I cut one to size, and I actually used it to lay out the 3 next panels. That made it go really fast. And on the second door was even faster. I cut one to size and I used it to lay the other panels, and pretty much I was done. So as you guys see, the process of insulating the garage doors was extremely simple. It took me about 45 minutes, and it cost me $93, including the insulation adhesive that I didn't actually use afterwards. After all, so I just did this yesterday, so I don't know what the results will be like. I'm excited to hopefully keep this place at a comfortable level. Now my idea is, when I'm working here, I usually open the door so there's air flowing. But when I have to go inside the house and, you know, throughout the day, if I need to walk back inside here, hopefully it's not 4,000 degrees. It's something manageable, that if I need to put something on my CNC or maybe cut something real quick or literally just walk outside, the garage is not literally a sauna. So I know it's not gonna fix the problem just yet. I'm hoping, praying, thinking I might get some AC in here. I know some people have said the mini Mr. Cool or like a mini split, but those are really, really expensive, plus an installation from a professional, if you will. So I'm thinking maybe purchasing a small portable AC unit, just like a 120, 115 volt that I can connect to the wall, make a hole in the wall, vent it outside. I'm still thinking about it. It's still pretty good substantial amount of money. So I'm gonna think about it. But worst case scenario, I have a couple fans in here. And like I said, I open the doors when I'm working so that the air is flowing. And I'm excited to see what this upgrade does to the comfort of the shop. So thank you guys for watching. I know it was a very simple video, very quick, but hopefully it will help you make a decision and just go out there and do what you do in your shop, in your garage, in your house. So I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Like and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. You know what to do. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Pura vida. Bye-bye.